and that ABF guy just cut me off. Okay. I'll have to do that I'll have to do that sometime in between. Just had a Swift driver about to take out.
Personal information right there in your Google search results. Uncover what's lurking on the internet about you with ReputationDefender.com's patented scan and get your free reputation report card. Or for immediate assistance with your reputation, call 800-584-2766. Our cutting-edge technology helps make your Google search results look their best. Call 800-584-2766. That's 800-584-2766. 800-584.
Hey Garmin. Hey Garmin. Save video.
And there wasn't left of you.
Alternative income keyword for the hour, which you have between now and 10. The text over to 200, 200. The keyword is thanks. T-H-A-N-K-S. Text that word thanks right now over to 200, 200.
Make paying in person safe and easy. Simply download the PayPal app, then scan, pay, and go.
Thank you.
Shop safe with PayPal touch-free payments.
Here I am, driving on I-465, going around the south side of Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm in the center lane, hoping that the UPS driver in front of me will get to the right lane so that I can pass this driver. And so I was in the right-hand lane, but he wasn't getting over. So here we are approaching the sign for I-65 South. That's in 2 miles. That's important because that is his exit that we will soon find out about. So as I continue to follow behind the UPS driver, he at no point attempts to get over to the right-hand lane, even though that's where he needs to be for his exit, as you will soon find out. So I get into the right-hand lane to make the attempt of passing this driver, since he is not passing anybody and has no foreseeable reason to be in the left into the center lane. So as you can see, I'm trying to pass him on the right-hand lane, and then traffic slows me down, and then I try to build my speed back up, and then he is passing me again because I was slowing down for somebody that was on the side of the road there. Then as I build my speed back up to try and make a final pass on him, then right here we approach his 1 mile to exit sign for him. He still does not have a turn signal on, still is not in the right-hand lane where he's supposed to be. Assuming it is a he that is driving. I believe it's a he, the UPS driver. So I begin to do my passing again. At least attempt to try to pass this driver. Generally, slower traffic needs to be in the right-hand lane anyway. So even if he's not exiting, he needs to be in the right-hand lane. So now I'm keeping my distance from the driver in front of me while trying to pass the UPS driver. Now he has his turn signal on because he wants me to slow down to accommodate him. And there he is trying to run me off the road. That's pretty aggressive, not very professional. So then I finally pass him, and there is his exit